SR Group is India's eminent business group in leadership in core sectors like construction, power, steel, oil, minerals, shipping and logistics, and telecommunication. We have 75,000 employees in 25 countries and we cover all the 5 continents. We adopted a lot of new technologies for improving the productivity of employees. Since employees' average age in this group is 28, a lot of demand is coming for bringing their own devices. They want to seamlessly access corporate data on laptops, desktops, all the thin clients like Wise and HP, all the Android devices from Samsung and Apple devices. These devices are part of our BYO rollout today. Citrix Desktop Virtualization is a foundation for this transformation initiative we have taken in SR Group. Citrix Receiver, Zen Desktop, Zen App, NetScaler, Access Gateway, and Branch Repeater. We can give a seamless experience to end user while accessing corporate data when they're traveling anywhere at any time. In a steel complex, there's a lot of dust, there's a lot of heat, there's a lot of vibration. Providing a seamless corporate data access and IT facility is a big challenge for us, and we are trying newer technologies for addressing this. We are giving a tablet to all the employees with the Citrix Desktop Virtualization access.
Aegis is a 3-decade-old company with $1 billion in revenues, 55,000 employees, operate in 13 countries, and is owned by SR. We provide business process and technology outsourcing services. For example, customer lifecycle management, customer service, procurement outsourcing, any critical back-end function, we handle that. And IT is the nerve center of the way we operate. It's not just a business enabler, it's also a differentiator. It is what brings a competitive advantage to us. In this business, when you make a pitch to a client, the first thing they ask you is how fast can you do it? If you look at traditional technologies, the time to market, the time to deploy is so much more linear and large. So we are deploying Citrix globally. 8,000 users are on this VDI platform. The target is by year end to make it 20,000 and to complete the journey in next couple of years across the globe. Our engineers can deploy all those applications in a seamless way, in a secure way, and just so much faster. So it's a matter of days, not weeks now.
This is a true transformation for SR Group, and we are not doing a technology evaluation just to implement a newer technology. We have a dedicated innovation team with us. They are evaluating trends like social, cloud, mobility, big data, and we are building a robust IT environment for future requirements.